In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a pairs trade on TradingView. Pairs trading is an advanced market-neutral trading strategy that helps you capitalize on the relative strength between two correlated assets. If you're ready to dive in, let's walk through the process step by step. First, we'll begin by creating a custom spread chart. Open TradingView and start by launching a new chart. In the symbol search field, you'll need to type your desired formula using an operator. Suppose you want to execute a trade by going long on Coca-Cola and short on Pepsi. You would enter Coca-Cola minus Pepsi or use their ticker symbols, KO minus PEP. If you are considering a similar trade using two ETFs, you could type QQQ minus SPY. Once you've entered the formula, select the appropriate suggestion from the list. What you'll see now is a spread chart, which illustrates the price difference between the two assets you're interested in trading. Now let's explore how to use indicators and scanners to enhance your analysis. Start by adding a pairs trading indicator to your chart. Find this by searching within the Indicators tab and apply it to your chart. The indicator is an essential tool as it will help you analyze the correlation and relative strength between your selected assets. You may need to configure the indicator by inputting the second asset's symbol or adjusting settings such as the long and short periods to suit your strategy. Pay close attention as you monitor the chart for visual cues provided by the indicator. Look for rotations between the plotted lines, as they can signal potential buy and sell opportunities based on the strengths of your paired assets. Once you've utilized your custom chart and indicator to identify a valid trade setup, it's time to execute the trade. Determine which asset you wish to go long on and which to go short. This decision should be based on your analysis of which asset you expect to outperform. With this information in mind, place your orders on the individual assets. It is crucial to manage your risk diligently by setting appropriate position sizes along with stop loss or take profit levels. This practice helps you safeguard your investment and ensures you remain aligned with your trading strategy. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to set up and execute a pairs trade on TradingView, leveraging the power of spread charts and indicators to make informed decisions. Remember, successful trading requires patience, practice, and careful risk management. Thank you for tuning in and happy trading.